My name is Oporot, the town clerk of Patongo Town Council. I want to welcome you officially to Patongo Town Council. It's a quiet place, and it is a place that you'll enjoy. This side, it is in Akomo Central, Akomo Ward, Patongo Town Council. And this is the proposed site for the construction of a secondary school. We have approximately, not approximately, we have 72 acres here. We have put the mudstone and the land is ready. So it begins from this side, runs up to the stream. Then this side also, it runs up to somewhere. There is a mudstone in it. It will run up to, actually approximately, it is like about 5 meters to cross the other road. So this is the land. It is free and it is ready for use. Thank you.
How did you acquire the land?
The land, we acquired it from the community. It is a donation from community, and actually there are some few arrangements between us, the town council, and the community. So I feel there is nothing that can stop the project.
Can you repeat the acreage?
72.
On this side, you said it touches the road? The stream.
Yeah,
The stream we just crossed. It goes to there, and then there is, when we're coming, there is a road that runs to the north. Okay. So it extends up to here.
Okay, this is about 5 meters away from that road.
The idea with the duplication of what we saw in this road.
Right.
No waste, duplication in units, primary, secondary. So as you say, this was something different. Appreciation, an expression to the right. We'll talk more when we where the problem is and why this is. So I'm somebody that the chairman that I can always talk to the phone day. Watene jo macho na iti mugina tatu
This is one of the questions for skilling center. Because we need to fight poverty, we need to provide the necessary skills. So I believe if this is done, it will actually sustain stability. Because when
I'm going to explain now why we can't do this process. We have to tell us why we have come. It's the first time we have come to East Africa as a whole. It's never been to Africa except on the map. So we came, landed in Kampala the other day, and drove to Kulu. Was looking at and took up the money. We had to go through Laloge. Once country is no more. Most welcome.
So you're most welcome, our friend. You know, this project is highly in Agago because this area has been in most of our children have not got back education. Therefore, these healing programs will help them to enhance their capacity to do something for themselves. And it is in line with government policies because the government now wants us to create jobs for others. And way of creating jobs for others, adopting the skilling program. Because you can create jobs for other people, you do something, you create jobs for yourself, in the same way you create jobs for other people. So this kind of program, the government is really welcoming. So we are so grateful as government of Uganda for this project.
I think for
So there was no like a weekly basis for professional management.
Has government taken over this school? No, not it. This will help with the school.
So this is an active school still?
So this is the fig tree.
Right.
From the fig tree. This one has got smaller fruits. Bigger fruits. And you add those lots of fruits. This is good.
So the tools are going to be made available in the program. I think it is.
No. That one, the marula. No. That one is different. I don't think we have it here.
Marula is in South Africa.
This one, they say, is a lion. Cannot touch prey. Alternative B. If cannot find the prey, then do this. I'm glad we found one which is floating like this. And the oil is political free.
Right. So in the West it's very expensive. So I will show you what's there. One of the ideas we had about